Wow, what a stunning blonde bob makeover to start off the video. I like the fact that this bob does feature some texture within the cutting. This is absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature a variety of stunning hair transformations. So next up we are at the salon, and it looks like someone has this really cool like blue color into their hair. So she's got darker roots here, and then it moves into the blue, creating kind of like that ombre effect. So the stylist is gonna do a color change here. Looks like she added some green to the blue. Wow. Ooh, this is giving me like mermaid vibes. Wow. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. So cool. Such a beautiful color. She did have a bit of layers to her hair as well. And it looks like he's styling the hair here, doing more of like a half up, half down look. Oh, this is like a very 90s hairstyle too. So cute. Next up, we have someone else diving into the world of color. Well, it looks like she already has a bit of color, but she's getting a color change. Ooh, okay, this is like definitely Barbie hair color vibes with a blonde and pink. I love it. And then we have someone with mid-length hair, and she switches things up with this chic mini bob style. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So moving on to the next transformation, we have someone with long mid-back length hair. It looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. Ooh, very nice bob hairstyle. I love the simplicity of this. Very cute. Next up, we see someone with long, dark hair. Oh, so she switches things up with a blonde buzz cut. I love it. Very cool. And then we have someone with this gorgeous orange ginger colored hair. So it looks like she wants to get more of like a shaggy curly cut. So this is definitely going to give her some shape to her hair. And it is also going to add in some volume. Whoa, wow. Such a cute style, and look at that color. Very nice. And then we have our last transformation for today's video. She has hair around mid-length. The hair is placed in some ponytails. And that stylist is just chopping away. Oh, very nice pixie. I love it. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.